Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your investment reports with TipRanks, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the TipRanks website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the investment reports section on the dashboard. Select the specific report you wish to back up. Open the report to review its details. Look for the export or download option, usually found at the top right of the report. Click on the download option. Choose your preferred file format, typically PDF or Excel. Confirm your selection and wait for the download to process. Once the report is downloaded, locate it in your device's Downloads folder. Create a dedicated folder for your investment reports if you haven't already. Move the downloaded report into your designated folder. To ensure safety, consider backing up this folder to a cloud storage service. You can use services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Upload the folder by clicking on the Upload button in your cloud storage. Select all the investment reports you want to back up. Wait for the upload to complete. Double-check to ensure all files are uploaded successfully. Routine backups are recommended for ongoing reports. Set a reminder to back up your reports regularly, such as monthly. This will help keep your investment data safe and organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.